Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to join a Discord server on PS5. First of all, ensure that your Discord is connected with PS5. To do so, all you have to do is go ahead and open Discord app and head to your profile, then tap on the setting button on the top right and you will find another option called connections. Go ahead and tap on it and you will find another add option on the top right. Once again, click on it and you will find your option over here. And once you have added the connection for your PS5, all you have to do is go ahead and start up your PS5, then press the PS button on your PlayStation and select the game base on the bottom menu. And once you've done so, select Discord tab on the top sidebar, select server, example any server like Minecraft Adventures, and select voice channel and example any of the voice channels like shown in the image, hashtag SMP, and join the voice channel. And once you've done so, that is how you join a Discord server on PS5. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.